two rods of same material, same length and same radius. Two rods of same material means K is same, K1 equal to K2, same length L1 equal to L2, same radius R1 equal to R2. Transfer a given amount of heat in T second. Transfer a given amount of heat in T second. Now, when they are joined end to end, see here, when rods are joined end to end, then we can say they are connected in series. So, when they are joined end to end means they are connected in series, and when the rods are joined one above the other, then see here, rods are joined one above the other, it means they are connected in what? Parallel. Then they will transfer same heat in same condition in what time? They will transfer same heat in same condition in what interval of time? So, here we are having a situation where two rods are first connected in series and then connected in parallel, and it was given, or we have to find out what is the time taken to transfer the same amount of heat in parallel combination. Remember, as far as the thermal resistance is concerned, thermal resistance R, thermal resistance when rods are connected in series, thermal resistance when rods are connected in series. What is the formula for thermal resistance when rods are connected in series? RS is equal to R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2, R1 is the thermal resistance of first rod, R2 is the thermal resistance of what? Second rod, and here both the rod, they are identical, so their thermal resistance is same, so R plus R, so RS is equal to 2R, RS is equal to what? 2R. When thermal resistors are connected in parallel, when the two rods are connected in parallel, then their thermal resistors Rp is equal to R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Same formula which we are using in case of resistance. Here R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R. So, R into R upon R plus R, that is equal to R square divided by 2R. This R get cancelled, R square divided by 2R. So, this is equal to R by 2. This is equal to what? R by 2. Now, from this what we can find? Rp is equal to, see here, Rp is equal to 1 by 4 times Rs, 1 by 4 times Rs, see here, 1 by 4 into 2R means it is 1 by 2R, that is R by 2. So, Rp is equal to 1 by 4 Rs, or Rp upon Rs is equal to 1 by 4. Now, Rp is 1/4 of Rs. It means what? Resistance, thermal resistance is 1/4 of resistance in series. Means heat flow will be 4 times greater. Qp, when resistance is 1/4, means Qp must be equal to 4 times of Qs. Qp must be equal to 4 times of Qs. Qp must be equal to 4 times of Qs, or Qs must be equal to 1/4 of Qp. Qs must be equal to what? 1/4 of Qp. So, remember, as thermal resistance becomes 1/4, as thermal resistance becomes what? 1/4. So, the rate of transfer of heat will becomes 4 times. Rate of transfer of heat will becomes what? 4 times. So, Qp must be equal to 4 times Qs. Qp must be equal to what? 4 times Qs. So, time taken will be what? T by 4. Time taken, as Qp is 4 Qs, it means time T is equal, T dash is equal to T by 4 seconds. So, out of 4 option, which option is correct option? Look at option D, it is T by 4 second. T by 4 second.